How to heal acne scars naturally and fast in just 10 days. Acne scars are nothing more than marks left on the skin by a pimple. If the acne has been particularly intense and long-lasting, it is possible that the skin has failed to heal its top layers, leaving small raised or sunken scars. Home remedy for acne scars. Preparation. Remove the dark green peel from the flat side of the aloe vera leaf. Squeeze about half a cup of the almost transparent pale green gel. Then take half a cup of cabbage juice and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix all the ingredients well. Apply this mixture directly to the scar in a circular motion for about 5 minutes. After half an hour, wash off this mixture with fresh cold water. Repeat twice a day. After about 10 days, if there is improvement, continue until the acne scars are completely gone. Many studies have been conducted to see if there is a link between the intake of collagen in the diet and the improvement of the health and appearance of the skin, and this link has been proven. So you should include this collagen smoothie in your daily diet, at least until the problem of acne scars disappears. Collagen Smoothie Booster. Ingredients: half an avocado, 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 1 banana, half a cup of berries, 2 tablespoons of sunflower seeds, 10 almonds, 2 tablespoons of collagen complex powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 cucumber. Preparation. Preparing a collagen-boosting smoothie is really very simple and quick. All you need are ingredients, a blender and a few minutes. Put the banana, berries, avocado, seeds, almonds, collagen complex powder, cucumber and milk in a blender and blend all the ingredients well. Drink in the morning for at least 10 days or until the problem of acne scars disappears.